Using a business credit card is a convenient way to manage your company's expenses and earn rewards. To get started, first understand the terms and conditions of your card, including the credit limit, interest rate, and fees. Read the agreement carefully to know what is expected of you. Next, activate your card by calling the phone number provided or visiting the card issuer's website. You will be required to provide some personal and business information to verify your identity. Once activated, you can start using your card for business-related purchases, such as office supplies, travel, and equipment. When making a purchase, provide your card details to the merchant, either in person, online, or over the phone. Ensure you have sufficient available credit to cover the transaction. Keep your receipts and invoices to track your expenses and reconcile them with your statement. To pay your bill, log into your online account or call the card issuer's customer service. You can pay the full balance, the minimum payment, or any amount in between. Paying the full balance is recommended to avoid interest charges. The payment due date is usually around 20 days after the statement date. To maximize the benefits of your business credit card, use it for all eligible business expenses, and take advantage of rewards programs, such as cashback, points, or travel miles. Monitor your credit utilization ratio to maintain a good credit score. Keep your credit utilization below 30% to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Additionally, set up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. You can also add employee cards to your account, allowing them to make purchases on behalf of the business. Set spending limits and track their expenses to maintain control. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your business credit card to manage your company's finances, earn rewards, and build credit. Regularly review your statement and transaction history to identify areas for improvement and optimize your credit card usage.